All right, Planet Fitness right now. Hydro massage, man.
Yup.
Black card amenities.
Shit should be starting soon. Come on.
I got one here too. I'm about to get on it. I just wanted to just film Soof.
I'm waiting for mine to start. Who said?
So there's like settings and stuff on there or what?
Yeah, but he got. Oh.
Ooh. Hey, who said living on the road ain't comfortable?
Oh yeah. I need them little cucumbers to put on my eye.
All right, time to get my massage. Peace out. Y'all, this is some real back road shit right now, man. We are fucking in the middle of nowhere. None of us have service except Isaiah. He has one bar. We're gonna use his phone. Zuri just dipped off. She stayed dipping off to pee. She's pretty good. Good job. Well, Isaiah has one bar, but his phone just died. So I got the cord right here. We're gonna plug in his phone and use that for GPS.
Sounds good.
And yeah, so we were a little bit stranded here for a second. We're trying to catch up with our biker, but instead we ended up just being out here right now. This is crazy. Some real backwoods shit. All right. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Check it out. We are set up right now, man. This is the first pit stop of the day. Found a nice little nook right off of the highway. The man, the legend, Kurt Walker.
Trained so hard.
How was the ride today?
It was alright. A little easier because it took a straight shot on 72.
Okay, not too much hills, anything.
Nah, not too much.
Okay.
So just a little straight shot, just long.
So what are we eating here now? I didn't grab a plate yet.
Avocado, pesto, and hard-boiled eggs.
Oh wow, that looks good. That pesto sauce.
Yeah.
Wow.
We had a smoothie earlier.
Smoothie, okay.
Too lazy to go find the
What the
pesto.
hell is wrong with you?
Okay, I'm gonna go eat the pesto.
Are you mad that he didn't use the pesto
no,
sauce?
it's just like mad plain. Like, you know what you're missing out on?
Is that offensive?
Maybe.
Wait, what?
It's not. It's just I know what you're missing out on.
Okay.
Where are the forks, Isaiah?
What's his name? Curtis had him last.
Soof, you got your food?
Yeah, I'm just looking for a fork so I can eat my food.
Okay. You got the pesto sauce?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I can't put it on there without the fork.
All right. What's going on in here?
Oh, it's around the back. It's around the back. My fault.
Oh, sorry.
It's around in the back of the.
Is that my food right there?
I think so. If I were you, I'd put pesto on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some pesto.
Good idea.
Where's the pesto? Is that it right there? That's the sauce?
I think this is pesto.
Yeah,
This is the
please
pesto?
put it with the pesto.
This is mine, right? Right here?
Yes.
Okay. Pesto.
Basil pesto. Con permiso.
Very nice. All right, I want to go see the cooking area real quick. Show people. We are not live right now because I have no service. But, excuse me. I'm going to upload this as soon as I get a chance. We are in Georgia. Trained so hard. Little yoga setup right there. And boom. Boom. Not even gonna try to hide my license plate anymore. You guys got it. All right, there's our setup. A little pasta and egg. You know, just keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. All right, nice little shady spot. Very nice. All right, I'm hungry.